Okay, calculations. Find the values of the angles marked with letters in the following. 1. You have a straight line with two angles represented on it. Here is angle of 50 degrees and here is angle x degrees. Now to find the value of x, you have to recall the theorems or the rules that we stated from 1 to 5. You are going to identify the one that best suits this. First of all, look at this. You see that we have a straight line. And so the rule that must apply to this must be the sum of angles formed on a straight line, which is equal to 180 degrees. So if that is the case, we'll have it that 50 plus x must be equal to 180 degrees. Now, we are going to solve for x. To solve for x, we need the x, which is a letter, to remain on one side of the equality sign, while numbers should be collected on the other side of the equality sign. So in this case, the 50 here should be collected over on the other side of the equality sign. So what do we do? Since the 50 here is positive, we say subtract. Subtract 50 from both sides. So we'll have 50 minus 50 plus x is equal to 50 minus 50 plus x is equal to 180 minus 50. 50 minus 50 is 0. Then you have x equal to 180 minus 50 is equal to 130 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, the second question. We have here 4x, 110 degrees, 70 degrees, x degrees. Now, those things that we learned earlier under angles at a point, those rules are going to apply as well. At this point, do we have just a continuous straight line? We don't have a continuous straight line, but we have different angles meeting at a point, isn't it? We have different angles meeting at a point. Now, it means that the rule that must apply here should be the sum of angles at a point should be equal to 360 degrees. So in that case, it means that 4x plus 110 degrees plus 70 degrees plus x degrees, remember that this one is 90 degrees, so plus 90 degrees, all of them added together must be equal to 360 degrees. So we write down now the numbers here, we'll add them up. We'll have 4x and x will be added up to give 5x degrees plus 110 plus 70 degrees plus 90 will give us 270 degrees equal to 360 degrees. So the next, we say subtract 270 from both sides. So we'll have 5x plus 270 minus 270 equal to 360 minus 270. So 270 minus 270 is 0. We'll have 5x here equal to 360 minus 270 will give us 90 degrees. Now, the next thing, here is 5x and here is 90. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 5. So we have 5x over 5 is equal to 90 degrees all over 5. So 5 cancel out. 5 divided 90, you have 18 degrees. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 18 degrees. Now, we'll come to the end of this class. I'll send your assignments across. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. God bless.